Inventory Smart's Stockroom Orders and Receiving modules are used together to create vendor orders and receive them into your Inventory Smart account. The ordering process begins on your admin site, and to create a vendor order, you will first click on the Stockroom Orders tab. This page will show you a list of all the vendors within your account, and you may hit Show All to expand a list of all the items you order from each of your vendors. You will then find the vendor you wish to order from and begin entering the quantities next to these items. You'll also notice on this page items that are highlighted in this red color, and this is notifying you that the item is below our set minimum on hand, and the system is then prompting us to reorder from the vendor. For example, our air filter item has a current on-hand quantity of 10, and we have a minimum on-hand quantity set at 10. So the system is prompting us to order at least one, so we do not dip below that minimum on-hand quantity. You may also update this if you wish. And also note the reorder quantity here that you can add to your items if you wish to always order a certain amount every time you order this item. Once you have completed entering the quantities of the items you wish to order, you may hit the Create Order button located next to the vendor name, and a new window will pop up where you can start creating and editing this order. Any vendor information that has already been entered on your Vendors tab will automatically appear here. You can adjust the Ship To information. You can also enter a PO number before or after your order is placed, and you can update any quantities that you put on the previous page. You can also enter the shipping and tax costs here, as well as any discounts or credits that you have with the vendor. Know that when a discount or credit is entered, that percentage or dollar amount will be deducted from the order subtotal once you complete the order. And the associations breakdown feature will allow you to assign a percentage of the stockroom order to the different associations at your property. You may click the Add Association button, and if you already have associations entered into your account, they'll show up in the drop-down menu. Simply select the association and assign the percentage, and then you may add another association. And please make sure that the percentages match up to 100% or the associations will not work. When the associations add up to 100% and you're completed editing this order, you may then hit the Save button. Once you click Save, you'll now be able to see the budgeting feature if you have this feature turned on to your account. And the budget feature works if you have GL codes set up to your account. So the budgeting feature is used to track GL code budgets on a monthly and annual basis. And in order to use the budgeting feature, you first need to set up the GL codes, and then you need to assign the GL codes to the items. And items must be assigned to a GL code on the items edit page in order for them to be linked to the budgeting feature. After clicking Save, your order can be viewed on the Order History tab of the Stockroom Orders page. And if you have the approval feature turned on, you will first need to have the order approved before posting it, or you will need to hit the Approve button if you can approve an order before being able to post it. If your account has the approval process turned on, only designated users will be able to approve an order. Users who do not have the ability to approve orders can still create orders on the admin site, but will click a button that titles Send for Approval versus My User that says Approve. Once the order is sent for approval, the designated user will receive an email notification, and then they will need to go in and approve the order before it can be posted. When the order has been reviewed and it's ready to be finalized and posted, we can click the Approve button. Or if you do not have your approvals turned on, you will simply see the Post button. But please note that once the Post button has been clicked, the order can no longer be edited. And if you're integrated with vendors, you can place an order directly to the vendor using this orders page. You can use the email feature associated with either receiving or printing, or you can print the order and use it to order from the vendor's website. If there is an email associated to this assigned vendor, it will automatically populate here, and this will be the body of your email. And if the vendor is integrated with your Inventory Smart account, once you click the Post button, it will actually say Post to Vendor. And once you click that, it will automatically send the order directly to the vendor. On this page, you can also export to an Excel spreadsheet, or you can remove the order if you wish to not continue. You can also print this in a PDF format. I am going to hit Post, and it is now sent to the receiving module on my app site. And now I can close out.